Now we're starting.
Hi!
Hi everyone. This is the magical unboxing of the lightsabers that Sydney has been bothering you for weeks about. And been bothering me for even longer.
Knife, Peter? Remember this.
So here we go. Sydney versus box.
Well, so far, I'm already doing better.
My money's on the cardboard box.
You know what? Suck a bag of dicks. Because this is already doing better than most unboxing videos I've had to watch, where they spend 25 to 40 minutes trying to at least saw the top of the box open.
As she's trying to saw the top of the box open.
Hey, you know what?
All right, we're in. So here we go.
This is terrifying.
She is terrified.
Packing peanuts and the bottom of the saber.
Bajillion packing peanuts. We all love bajillion
Charger.
packing. Yay! We have a charger. Look at the nice charger. The charger is going away now.
Oh. Yep, I'm gonna have to stand up for this shit.
She has to stand up for this shit.
Really?
And notice the poster of Darth Maul in the background. No, we are not crazy Star Wars nerds. And she let packing peanuts fall.
Charger number 2 for some reason, even though I only ordered 1.
Charger number 2. We got it for free. Thank you very much.
Oh.
And now, Sydney versus plastic. Okay.
That's a mystery saber.
That's a mystery saber.
That's not a wrapped mystery saber, because those are usually wrapped.
That's not a wrapped mystery saber. Wait. We have to go each saber at a time. So no, you got to finish unwrapping this.
You want me to fully... Okay.
There are rules.
There are rules. I didn't know there were rules.
You have to unwrap each one as you do it.
Okay. So we have a mystery saber that looks like a Qui-Gon Jinn saber.
That does look like Qui-Gon Jinn saber.
Qui-Gon Jinn saber.
That does look like Qui-Gon Jinn saber.
But I'm over the moon about that shit.
That is a Qui-Gon Jinn saber.
I'm really okay with this. If this is actually a mystery saber that I got, because it's not an initiate, because it's the Qui-Gon Jinn saber, I didn't place an order request for this sucker. I'm quite happy about this. Now here's my issue. It didn't come in its brown paper, so I don't know if this shit's gonna have sound when we turn it on. I don't even know what color this is gonna be. This is gonna be green.
Thus, the definition of mystery saber.
You know what?
She just defined mystery for you all. I hope you are appreciative of it.
Peter, shut up.
She wanted me to record this. She did not know what she was signing up for.
Look, I have 10,000 pounds of bubble wrap now that we can play with. I'm super excited about that. Taking that shit to work as a present for the idiots I sit next to.
She doesn't mean it. She doesn't mean it.
Okay.
And turning on. And it is officially Qui-Gon Jinn saber with sound. And it might have flash on clash. Hit something.
No flash on clash. But we have a green LED pommel turn on activation switch. No. That locked it up. Why are you turning off?
Try holding.
Okay.
And she figured it out.
Good thing just to know for the future. Holy Christ. So
Wow,
while I go to the next section,
that has really good weight to it.
Pete's gonna, give you some updates on that.
That has actually really, really good weight.
Sure.
Feels really good in the hand. It looks freaking awesome. I will say that. There's the handle. Looks really clean. I've never had a really high-end lightsaber before, so I don't know what they're supposed to look like. But that looks freaking awesome. So, yeah. Cool. It's a nice straight line, not really, not bent, which you see a lot in cheap sabers. It'll be bent by the time we're done with it, because we're going to be hitting each other a lot with this.
This is what a mystery saber is supposed to look like.
That's a mystery saber.
So now I'm going to open this, even though there's
Wait. So it doesn't have this?
It does. It comes with a blade. But they're supposed to be wrapped in cardboard.
Well, maybe this was the 5th saber. Remember the 5th saber that we could win? Maybe this is the saber we won.
They haven't done the raffle yet. The raffle's not till the 13th.
So maybe we just got a 5th saber.
Maybe.
She's complaining about getting the saber she always wanted. I don't know why.
This is the initiate. That's why it's so tiny.
That's the initiate. She's still not following the rules.
You know what, Peter? Yours? Sword of Omens is trying to kill me.
Oh my god, that is amazing. Give me my Sword of Omens. I'm opening that. That is my Sword of Omens. I'm putting this down.
And that's Rabbits. And that's not yet everybody, because my saber blade for the Mystery Saber is right there. Okay.
So we got one Initiate, which is this guy here. Just looks like a, whoa.
It's a smaller saber that they have. It's one of their standardy guys. He's Mystery 1. It's their blue handle, so it's their... Oh, shit. It's the version 3. If it has sound or not remains to be seen, because it, much like the Qui-Gon Jinn one, is just kind of wrapped in bubble tape. And
So we don't know yet. Again, Mystery Saber.
Peter, I will hit you.
She's gonna hit me a lot with these. I'm not worried about it. Trust me.
Not all of them. I don't plan to beat you to death with the Qui-Gon one yet.
Notice the yet.
Or at least I hadn't. We start talking. Yeah, we've gone to brute force. Just rip the shit apart.
Alright, now testing. Does it have sound? No, it does
but
not.
Holy Christ, that's blue.
That is a very nice blue.
That's Guardian blue.
That is a very nice... Again, even though it's a shorter one, really nice weight. Really, really nice, and like if you look down it, I don't know if you can actually see. It's really nice and straight, not curved, even though this is obviously one of their cheaper options.
They didn't include my blade plug. Oh no, that's what this is.
So really, really nice, and even that's really nice and clean, basic handle.
Oh, there it is. It's
Nothing too, fancy, but still very, very nice.
So again, we're still not opening the two biggies. We're gonna open our last Mystery Saber, even though Peter's gonna whine about that shit.
Last Mystery Saber, because the Sword of Omen is going to be awesome.
Okay, so this is how they're supposed to come, wrapped in a shit ton of plastic.
I'm kind of worried the fact that the blade's not attached. Hopefully it attaches securely.
Yeah. So I have a feeling this is not going to have sound in this sucker. It might. I don't know.
So it's a black-handled one. So
which means it's their Dark Apprentice.
I was going to say, that means it's not one of the main bad guys that we know of.
It's called the Dark Apprentice. The saber kind is called.
So we are attaching. Hopefully it gets nice and secure in there.
Well, when I use the hex key that they send with them.
Oh, there's a hex key. That is what she's using.
Allen wrench.
I'm gonna guess that because it's a black handle, that we're looking at either a green blade or a red bladed saber. They don't normally like to mix blue with the black handle.
What, have you been watching their stuff?
No, I'm talking Star Wars in general as a, fandom. When you actually study sabers, they don't normally mix a straight black handle with a blue saber. She's having trouble tightening.
Oh.
Don't break it.
The Allen wrench or the... Well, that doesn't want to sit in there. That's...
And I was wrong.
And it's their Sunriser Blue.
And
now, if I can get the blade to sit in there, I'll be really content with that.
I'm going to give this... I'm going to give the video to Sydney, and I'm going to tighten the blade.
Great, you do that. We'll come over here to watch Peter tighten the blade.
Hi, everyone.
Because when I was playing with these suckers, it was just cheapy PVC plastics, and life was fine.
So I guess you gotta loosen the blade first.
Oh, to get it all the way in, and then shit.
Put it all the way in.
And then tighten it from there. Yeah, Robinson, I'm a genius.
I wasn't gonna say anything. So that feels like it's all the way in there. Now, see if I can put it back in.
Because he took it all the way out, didn't he?
I did take it all the way out. But I got it back in. And now we tighten. Get it nice and tight in there. It still wants to turn. I'm kind of worried about that. I really don't want to shatter this thing. I'm going to call that tight enough. I cannot full strength pull this and move it. So I'm going to call that tight enough because I do not want to destroy the damn thing.
And so, yep, Sunrider's Destiny, which is based off of Luke Skywalker's obnoxiously bright, stupid-ass blue saber from the first time we see it.
Proving that I am wrong and that they do their own thing. Black saber with a blue blade.
And God, I love this color blue.
But if you actually
actually
look at the Star Wars universe, that's actually a very, very rare combination.
That's fantastic.
So
and I love that I got like a heavy grade blade for this sucker, because this is the kind that Gwydion has too.
I think they're all heavy grade blades,
No,
except for
they're
this
not.
one.
These both aren't, see?
Oh, they're the same. So those are both testing blades. That's sad that Qui-Gon's is a testing blade. All right, now moving on to our blades. We're going to start with Sydney's.
Because I picked up Raven's first.
Which is Darth Revan's. Now, is it Darth Revan's or is it Revan's?
Just called Revan.
Well, that would make sense, seeing as it's the same lightsaber, just one's red. Well, actually, it's supposed to be purple, but depending on where in the timeline. Now I'm showing I'm way too much of a geek, and I'm going to stop talking. Very, very hard to fill in when she's trying to fight with bubble wrap.
Yeah, I know, isn't it?
I actually personally love the look of this saber. This saber was actually going to be my first choice, and then she said she was choosing it, and I went, okay, I'll choose something else. I'm very happy with my second choice, because my second choice, if I had known it existed, would have been my first choice.
He just didn't get that far down the street.
I just got to Revan's, and I went, oh, I want this.
Okay.
Now, here we are with
Nice, fantastic deep dark blue, and Flash on Clash.
Flash on Clash.
Which strobes when you hit the button, and it's gonna give somebody a fucking heart attack.
Yeah, you might want to stop that. We're recording this and showing it to people. We don't want to kill somebody. You can stop it. Hold the damn button.
Oh!
You idiot.
And that powers down that saber.
Okay. Now we have one saber remaining.
And a mountain of garbage in my chair.
We have one saber remaining, and this is my saber. And this is the saber that I will say when I saw the handle, I went, screw all of you, this is what I'm getting. Just for the simple fact of, screw all of you, this is what I'm getting. It is my childhood all combined into one with Star Wars and Thundercats. So, yeah, I am kind of just uber pumped. I really hope the weight's good because the handle looks a little bit oversized. And that does concern me a little bit because that handle is humongous for the width of the blade. But I'm sure it'll be amazing.
Okay.
Just proportionally speaking, it looks a little out of proportion.
Oh no, weight's fine. It's a hollow top of the pommel. Can I do the honors?
Oh, please. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is just sexy.
I really don't want to hit these suckers hard.
We're going to be hitting them hard.
So there's some of that for you guys. And the fun part of all of this is because that centerpiece is hollow, firstly, the weight is fantastic. And secondly, if you can kind of see it, it helps to illuminate up the centerpieces.
That is actually very awesome. And I can't wait till you mod the...
Sucker so it ignites with thunder, Thundercats ho. Want to hold your baby?
I do want to hold my baby. I'll give you back your key thing. And I'm going to say we're going to end on the Sword of Omen. So thank you all for watching, and hope you enjoyed this lovely unboxing video. See ya!